Chapter 13, The Trust Factor, Cementing Credibility in Copywriting. Ahoy, copywriting captains! In this pivotal chapter, we're anchoring ourselves in the sturdy harbor of trust, the bedrock upon which all successful copywriting endeavors are built. Prepare yourselves, for we're about to embark on a journey of authenticity, transparency, and unwavering credibility. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is the trust factor, and why is it so essential in copywriting? Well, my friends, the trust factor is more than just a buzzword. It's the currency of credibility, the lifeblood of lasting relationships between brands and their audiences. But fear not, for building trust is not a Herculean task reserved for the chosen few. No, it's a journey that anyone can undertake with the right tools and techniques. So how do we cultivate the trust factor in our copywriting? It all starts with integrity, the cornerstone of credibility. We must be honest, transparent, and authentic in our communications, ensuring that our audience knows they can rely on us to deliver on our promises. But integrity alone is not enough. We must also demonstrate competence and authority in our field. Whether it's through testimonials, case studies, or industry credentials, we must provide evidence of our expertise and track record of success, showing our audience that we are more than just talk with a real deal. And let's not forget the power of consistency, the secret weapon in every trustworthy copywriter's arsenal. By delivering a consistent experience across all touch points, from our website to our social media channels to our customer service interactions, we can build trust and credibility with our audience, ensuring that they know exactly what to expect from us every step of the way. But remember, my fellow trust builders, trust is not just something we earn once and then forget about. It's something we must nurture and cultivate over time. We must always act with integrity and authenticity, ensuring that our words and actions reflect our commitment to building lasting relationships with our audience. So let us set forth on this noble quest, my friends, armed with nothing but our integrity and our unwavering commitment to building trust through authenticity and transparency. Together, we'll create copy that not only captures attention but also earns the unwavering trust of our audience, laying the foundation for long-lasting relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. Are you ready to unlock the power of the trust factor and build credibility like never before? Then let's set sail on this journey of authenticity and emerge victorious on the shores of unwavering trust and lasting credibility.